Hello, my name is John Ford, and this is my multimedia presentation. I use Zentation.com, and I'm going to be doing it on Illuminations, which is a great resource for teaching mathematics. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about the website, go over a couple examples, and then talk about the benefits, and then I'll wrap up with my resources at the end. So to find the website, it's, pretty straightforward. You just go to illuminations.nctm.org, and that'll take you right to it. So today we're going to focus on the interactive tools. You can see on the left-hand side that there's lesson plans, interactives, mobile games, and brain teasers, but we're just going to focus on the interactive tools today. So you can, if you go to the right-hand side, you can search the site. You can search the site based off of lessons, interactives, or standards. So we're going to check interactives. We're going to search by NCTM standards. We're going to do pre-K through 2, and then we're going to click on geometry, and then we're going to go to search. If you want, you can also select by Common Core if you choose to do so. So let's go to search. And then you can see that, dozens of results pop up. So we're going to take a look at a couple examples today. So let's click on dynamic. I'm going to click on dynamic paper, which is, it gives you a specific geometric shape or tool that you need in order to teach an activity in your class. So, you can use this. It's quick and simple, and your students will love it. And you can also export it as a PDF file or a JPEG file. So let's get started. So let's go to, we're going to click on Nets in the upper left hand corner, and now we can choose a shape that we want. So let's choose pyramid. So you can see the number of sides that we have. You can click if you want all edges to be congruent. You can click the units you want it in. Then you're just gonna go to add, and then there's your pyramid. There's your shape that pops up, and you can make it bigger. You can move it around. You can just play around with it. So let's you can also shade it. Hold on one second. You can also shade it in. Hold on. Erase that. So you can also shade it in with different colors. That you can just pretty much just play around with the shape. And then you can use PDF or JPEG to export it. Alright, so let's look at a different one. Let's get rid of that. Go to Nets. Let's choose number line. So you have a minimum value, a maximum value. Show tick marks. How many tick marks you want in it. Show major tick marks. You can choose all that. Click add. And then there's your number line. You can move it around, make it bigger, make it smaller. You can just play around with that also, and then you can do PDF or JPEG. Alright, so let's go back here, and let's click on geometric solid. Let's look at this example. So we can select any shape that we want. Let's choose tetrahedron. We can change the zoom level. If you want it transparent, if you want it shaded in, if you want to, show the total of edges, you can do all that with it. If you want it in 2-dimensional, you can click that and it'll make it 2-dimensional. Or if you want it 3-dimensional, you just click back to solid and it'll put it back in 3 dimensions for you. So let's go to another shape, octahedron, pretty much the same thing. You can change the zoom level if you want it transparent, if you want it shaded, if you want to show the total. If you want it two-dimensional, click that and it'll make it two-dimensional. Or, you can go back to solid, or you can, print it if you want. So going back, Illuminations is great. It's relevant. It was designed by the National Council of Teachers of, Mathematics. Some of the benefits here are listed. It enhances students' learning of particular subjects, and here's my resources.